Here's something that probably happened to you today. You sat down to do something, read, relax, just exist for a second. And within 2 minutes, your hand was already reaching for your phone. Not because something happened, not because you were bored, just automatically. You're not weak. You're not addicted in the clinical sense. Your brain has been quietly rewired, and most people have no idea it's happening. Everyone talks about dopamine like it's the pleasure chemical. It's not. Dopamine is the anticipation chemical. It spikes not when you get something good, but right before. When your brain thinks something good might be coming. That's why scrolling feels so hard to stop. Every time you pull down to refresh, there's a tiny dopamine hit. Because maybe this time, there's something worth seeing. Maybe this post. Maybe the next one. This is called variable reward. It's the same mechanic that makes slot machines impossible to walk away from. And every major social app is built on it, deliberately. Here's where it gets serious. By day 7, your brain starts lowering its dopamine sensitivity. It's adapting to the constant stimulation. The technical term is downregulation. The practical effect, normal things start feeling a little flat. A walk, a conversation, a meal, slightly less satisfying than before. By day 14, your focus starts to break down. Your brain has trained itself to expect a new stimulus every few seconds. Anything slower than that, a long article, a quiet moment, an actual conversation, starts to feel frustrating. By day 30, something more significant happens. The prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for self-control and long-term thinking, loses ground to the limbic system, the part that wants the reward right now. In plain terms, the part of your brain that can wait gets weaker. The part that can't gets stronger. You don't need a brain scan. Here are 5 signs. 1. You check your phone within minutes of waking up, before you've said a word to anyone. 2. Reading a long article feels like effort. You get halfway and your mind is already somewhere else. 3. You need background noise for everything. Eating, walking, even falling asleep feels wrong in silence. 4. You pick up your phone, find nothing interesting, put it down, and pick it up again 30 seconds later. 5. Sitting and doing nothing, even for 5 minutes, feels genuinely uncomfortable. 3 or more, that's your baseline now. Not a flaw, just a fact worth knowing. No 30-day detoxes, no deleting all your apps. That's willpower, and willpower runs out. 3 things that actually work. First, protect your mornings. No phone for the first 30 minutes after waking. Morning is when your dopamine system is most sensitive. Whatever hits it first sets the threshold for the whole day. Second, schedule boredom. 10 minutes a day. No phone, no music, no input. Just let your brain sit without stimulation. It feels uncomfortable at first. That discomfort is the training. Third, one screen at a time. Eating with a show is fine, but eating with a show while checking your phone is 3 dopamine streams at once. That's the pattern to break. Here's the thing. Your brain built this pattern over months or years. It won't rebuild overnight, but it will rebuild, because that's what brains do. In the next video, I'm going to get into something most people don't talk about. Why boredom without your phone feels physically uncomfortable, and why that specific feeling is actually the thing you need to get back. If this was useful, you know what to do. See you in the next one.